Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate WhatsApp Business with Freshsales. The first thing I want you to do is actually go ahead and come here to the left hand panel and click on admin settings, click on this gear cog, and what I want you to do now is click on channels, and then from here I want you to scroll down until you see chat and messaging. You'll actually see WhatsApp. So go ahead and click on WhatsApp, and I'm already logged into my Facebook account, which is a Facebook business account, which is usually linked to your WhatsApp business account. So here I have WhatsApp, and what I want you to do to connect to your WhatsApp business number, click here on Start Setup, and it will go ahead and open up a pop-up where you need to go ahead and authenticate Facebook login. So here, right here, click on Continue, and then you just select the business account that you want to connect. And if you have a WhatsApp business account, you can go ahead and choose that, or you can choose this one, create a WhatsApp business account, hit next right here, and then you need to enter your business information, your category, your country, and if you have a website, things like that, hit next. Then you go ahead and add a phone number for WhatsApp right here and choose how you like to verify your number. Let's do text message, hit next. After that, you just verify your phone number, and after that, you just need to come here, click continue, and you're basically done. You can hit finish, and you should see something like this right here. It would show your number displayed right here with a check mark, and that is how to integrate WhatsApp Business with Freshsales.